Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a story about a Chinese gentleman that came, a farmer that was in Fiji and married to one Fijian lady.
Yes.
So every time, this is a farmer, Chinese farmer. Every time when the fruit is multiplied
Thank you.
and the vegetable is there,
Keep it up.
so this Chinese man always come down to Suba and sell the vegetable.
Yes.
One time,
Yes.
this Fijian lady got pregnant.
Why?
And this Chinese guy was really angry because
Mr. Chong.
Mr. Chong, Mr. Chong said to himself, I always go to the market every day.
Something must be wrong.
Something must be wrong there. I think I'm going to take my wife to the court. So when they were in the court, they were the judge was asking the Chinese man. So, sir, what do you want to complain now?
What's your opinion?
What's your opinion? And this Chinese man told the judge, he said, Judge, me come, she no come. When the time they always plan to meet, like in the 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the afternoon or 8. And then he explained to the judge,
Always going to the market doing the selling.
me always go to the market. Me don't know who pregnant. Me come. Me confused. Me come. She no come. Me come. She no come. Why?
How come?
How come? Baby born, me white, baby black. How come?
Okay.
Me come, she no come. How come?
How come?
Baby born, baby. Baby born, baby black, me white.
How come?
Judge, how come?
Okay, bagaimana kalau ngasih kan melihat nambah sendiri uang kabas?
Yes.
Kalau di barang cuma nambah sendiri barang.
Yes.
And kena driver. Kau mau ngasih? Saya mau
Juicy fruit.
Hey. Kalau nak HD 007, orang mau lagi bagaimana lalu di basi di HD 007. Kalau di barang cuma di basi ni ada macam kalau cuma diseret. Era matang na di kurang kita di na staff di PSP ni. So, lebih tiga mana sere, nalang di sere nambunan na isa limbun.
Apaan?
Ito sa Macau. Bisa mati. Okay.
Awak.
Apa bilang juga?
Boleh nak ketua Arvin the JB 707 Kerala Channel boleh nak.
Boleh tak kamu sere albi matang.
H007 Rwanda pas mamondo kina Rei mata kakede BTF merongo bolikina Katsina kena driver Rangai uro na kena pasindia Raiwanga spom. Okay, mas tatal. Solo.
Kita sih kalau cuma dari kuat. Ayo.
Mas mamondo kina Rinata kakede BTF merongo bolikina Katsina kena raiva Rangai uro na kena pasindia Naiwanga bas momondo makina mata kakede monguruta na kemumisikede Unjes breakfast crackers na bisikede bakatawa kede Mulira na kenanda ni moli Sarito toka dina bakaoti Unjes kabea Elui mosi Yamel manita oni BSP na magendo moni Ramini tunakena rosi Ela bakatu ana angelosi Omulenga kene Sarah di sini si semani lolanda DSP beliau kasih matata just breakfast crackers all the biscuit will fill your stomach and you go with tears but lemon leaf orange it's very tasty. Oh, just you hurt me. Feel my stomach for the rest of my ability. As I'm cruising to town, obvious feedback you my love. Even though there's rose, but you are my only rose. Oh, the star, you look like angels. All your business alone, forever BSB. Hates me, oh, Sapper. No one can pass to carry you forward. Every morning, the FM is there to Sikiwa. It's very tasty. Even the driver and all the passengers. Raiwangaba to carry you forward. Raiwangaba to carry you forward. Raiwangaba forevermore. Irga kurgu karge konga. Raiwanga burke bora. Then if your boys don't come, I'll come. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you, Waka. And my house on the Saturday. Rani Makamba, oh, Sule. Like hot, shut that to the video. The Rawan, the one chicken became a little bit of Sarah. Now, it's more like a show. No, no, Ni mother ni kalunga pa pa ni bina karsini ko ni marau chiko. Ni mother. Smart to the Messi.